Well guys, we are back on another camping adventure. I'm going to be doing some fishing first before I even set up camp, but I might set up some stuff, but for the most part I'm going to get ready to go fishing. In a tent. There you go, buddy. What year did I go moose hunting? 2022. Guys, I bought these waders. I was going to take them to Alaska on a moose hunt. And I bought them, and then I decided I'm just going to wear hip boots and not wear these big heavy duty things. They're like a canvas or whatever, nylon. Maybe it's nylon, not canvas. And I bought them, and I had them in the box until this year, since 2022. So I'm just getting into fly fishing, and waders are so expensive. And these things are, put this bungee strap around here for my belt. Bam! Would you look at that? Then I can kind of just pull it down. I got big pockets right here. Get my fly rod. Oh, ooh, don't break that tip. I just found this lure right by the truck door. So somebody was using this thing. I think I'm ready to go. What do you think, guys? I'm all suited up. Got these XXXXXXX large waders. Gonna go catch some fish, hopefully. Well guys, I got one. There he goes.
Oh. That's it. Yeah. There you go.
Well guys, I am back from fishing. I caught one, and I thought it was a rainbow, but I met an old guy on the river, and he said that's a cut bow. I guess it's a cross between a rainbow and a cutthroat. So new to me, I didn't know that. So yeah, that was fun. That was fun. Didn't get skunked, so that's good. You can help me, buddy. That'd be great. Every corner. Here's the bag. Corner, no corner. Thank you, buddy. There we go.
You get that?
Just got done filling some water, sterilizing some water out of the creek with a SteriPen. Did that whole little bucket right there, and yeah, we didn't bring enough water, so I'm glad I had this little thing with me. We could have ran to town, probably 40 minutes to town, but we didn't want to do that, so we're drinking creek water. We had a pretty good nap until some old fellas showed up, and they were hooting and hollering. They're on a trip or something. Like, they were yelling, and they woke us up from our beautiful nap out here in the nature. Like, so if you're ever out in the wilds, you see somebody sleeping, just be respectful, be quiet, don't wake them up. I don't know. Anyways, rant of the day. We're gonna make an iced coffee, and then we might go down to the river and take a bath. So, yeah, that's what's up. Go. It's really good. Really good. Well, guys, I built a little bow and arrow. And this is first time shooting it. What do you want me to shoot? Let's see it. You ready? Ready, bud? Watch my bow shoot, nature. We bought this gas wand stove. This is our second time camping with it or using it. And these cans get like super hot. And yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna hook up the propane. I'm gonna convert it to propane. See if that makes a difference. Or see if it works with propane. But so far, we would not recommend this stove. I don't think we would. I don't know. We'll find out. I mean, this is only our second time, but it might be the bomb.com with propane, but with butane, not good. It gets super hot. There we go. It's working now. So it's working with propane, but for some reason it's not working with butane right now. No. Whee! Good shot. All right, let's go eat, guys. Oh, man. Whew. The sun's pretty bright. Right in my face. Anyways, look what I'm eating. It's gonna be so good. It's already mustard. Man, I can't pick this thing up without getting mustard on my hands. Here we go. We are gonna go do some fishing, and they're gonna see if they can make it to my spot. It's up there a little bit, so they're gonna see if they can make it. So yeah, here they come. Woo.
Oh shit! Shit.
I got him, Trail. Little baby. There we go. I didn't catch any. I mean, I caught some little ones, but I caught a couple little ones, but I had one good one, but I didn't know I had one on, and I went to pull it out of the water to make another cast, and I just jerked it out of the mouth. And I think it was a pretty good one, because first I was like, oh, I'm snagged, and then it was like, whoa, came out of the water a little bit. But anyways, beautiful evening. In the comments below, let me know if you guys fly fish, or if you ever have, or if you're a die-hard fly fisherman. Ooh, here goes a snake. Anyways, there's a little snake right there. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you're a fly fisherman. We are winding down. We got our fake campfire fire can going, and because it's fire ban, well, there goes the bat. Anyways, let me get this blanket. I'm going to show you guys the camp. I haven't been giving you guys an update enough, so my bad. This is our camp. Got my fly fishing stuff right there, and then we got our TP tent again. And yeah, just like usual, the boys sleeping here, we sleeping here. Bam. Pretty simple. I think we're gonna go to bed here in a bit. We're winding down, and yeah. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Pretty good. Nothing like hot coffee on a cold morning. Head out, see if I can catch some trout. This is our last morning here, so yeah, we're gonna see if we can catch something. I got one, guys. I got one. This is a good one. Hey, I got him. I freaking got him. This is a good one, dude. Dude, look at that thing. Guys, I'm fly fishing in America. This big old bald eagle lands up in the tree right above me. America, baby. America. God bless America. I got my fly rod, got a bald eagle in the tree. I just caught a good trout. Man. I made it back to camp. I'm gonna eat some pancakes. Bacon, blueberries, pancakes. Woo. Hitting the spot. And now everybody's just kind of ready to go home. We were gonna hang out longer this morning, but I don't know, we're just kind of ready to pack up and head home. We got a little bit of a drive home. So, but it's a beautiful morning. Look at that. You gonna be my steak man? There you go. There we go. Woo! There we go, guys. There we go. Thank you, my man. Come on. Well, guys, we are almost ready to head home. We had a good time. I hope you guys had a good time watching this video. If there's any gear that we use that you're interested in, check out the links in the description below. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.